Good morning friends, myself Vijay Kumar, lecturer in biology, Government Senior Secondary School Chambu. Welcome you all once again in 10 plus 1 biology class. My dear friends, in the previous class we are discussing about leaf and we have discussed that leaf is the photosynthetic organ and the most important vegetative organ of the plant. We have discussed one of the aspects, that is the venation in leaf. Today we will discuss a few more aspects of leaf. This is the botany of the leaf. The various parts of the leaf we have discussed in the last class. After venation we are going to discuss today first of all the phyllotaxy. Phyllo. Remember, whenever this term it appears to you, then remember this phyllo word or one more foliar, F-O-L-I-A-R. It is related to leaf. It means leaf. So phyllo and foliar, it means leaf. So phyllo means leaf and taxos mean, as we have studied, taxos mean arrangement. So the pattern of the arrangement of leaves on stem or its branches. How the leaves are arranged on stem and its branches. You might have observed that the different plants, their stem and branches, they have different arrangement of the leaves. If you have not yet observed this, after discussion with me, you will surely observe the fact that different plants have different arrangement, and the study of this pattern of the arrangement of leaves on the stem or its branch, it is called phyllotaxy. On the basis of the arrangement of leaves over the stem and its branches, it is of three types. Phyllotaxy is of three types. One is spiral or alternate. Spiral or alternate. Second one opposite. Third one hold. Let us discuss one by one that what the alternate or spiral phyllotaxy mean, what does mean the opposite, what does mean the hold. See, spiral is the phyllotaxy when a single leaf is present over a node. I have told you earlier, I have told you earlier that a single leaf is present over the node. Sorry, the leaf arises from the node. When a node have, observe here, this is the node. It is the part from where the leaf arises. This is node. From leaf arise. If a single leaf is present over each node, here single, here single, here single, then it is called the spiral or alternate phyllotaxy, as present in the China rose, mustard, sunflower. You might have seen सूरजमुखी, China rose, mustard, सरसों का प्लांट आपने देखा होगा. तो you, और अगर नहीं भी देखा then kindly do this. A single leaf, when a single leaf is present or arise at each node, then a single leaf arise at each node in alternate manner, as in China rose or mustard, the phyllotaxy is called spiral or alternate phyllotaxy. Look at this picture. It is the Hibiscus rosa sinensis, China rose, having a leaf at each node. You can observe there, having a leaf alternately at each node. This is the spiral or alternate, okay, kind of the what? Phyllotaxy. Then the second one is opposite phyllotaxy. What is the opposite phyllotaxy? Opposite phyllotaxy, when a pair of leaves they arise from a node. A pair of leaves arise at each node and lies opposite to each other, as in guava, calotropis, one plant. This is the lantana. See here, beta. Let's see here. This is a single node. Two leaves they are arising from a single node. These two from another node, these two from another node. And if we look, they are opposite to each other. If they are opposite to each other and two leaves are arising from an node, This is the opposite phyllotaxy. Have a look at this picture also here. This is the opposite one. Okay, clear? This is of this kind. It is also in the cesium. Cesium is जामुन. जामुन के अंदर भी होता है. 2 leaves at each node. Okay. What? These are in the same plane. If you observe this, these are in same plane. Okay. And when we observe these leaves from the top of the stem, जब हम इसे ऊपर से देखेंगे, they only the upper leaves are visible to us. It is superposed, it is superimposing the other leaves of this plane. Because these leaves are present in one plane, and when we look from the top, only the upper leaves are visible, lower one not. This kind of the opposite phyllotaxy is called opposite superposed. Why? If the condition is like this, at one node they are at this angle. On the second node, I am assuming this plant to be another plant like Zinnia. It is the condition maybe like this. There are 2 leaves at each node. What? The leaves on the successive node like this. See here. The leaves on the successive node, they are at 90-degree angle. And now if we look at such kind of plants, we find separate rows, 2 rows. Now 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 4. मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूं कि नोड पे होंगे 2 ही लीव्स, पर सक्सेसिव नोड पे वो कैसे होंगे? 90 डिग्री एंगल पे प्रीवियस नोड के. The condition is like this. See here. In superposed, if this is stem, the leaves, they appear like this. I can draw like this. In same plane. Okay? It is opposite but superposed. Top view में सिर्फ upper यही दिखाई देंगे, 2 rows will be there. Upper are only visible. It is opposite superposed. Okay, beta. Then what in the second condition is opposite decussate. बनाया आपके पास पिक्चर में देखें आप, opposite decussate. In Calotropis, in Zinnia, ZINNIA, flower होता है Zinnia. It is the condition is like this. At this node, if they are in this plane, then at the successive node they are at 90 degree. ये एंगल है और ये एंगल है. It is 90 degree to the previous node. If it is 90 degree to the previous node, then there must be 4 rows will be there, and this is the opposite decussate condition. So opposite is of 2 kinds. One is opposite decussate and opposite superposed. Then the third one is whole phyllotaxy. What is now? In this case, more than 2 leaves they are present in single node. More than 2 leaves they are present at single node. Like in this picture, it is the nerium. More than the 2, 3 are there. More than 3 may be there. So this condition, this kind of the phyllotaxy is called a whole phyllotaxy. Is it clear now? So the 3 kind of phyllotaxy are there. Alternate, when a single leaf is present at each node, alternating with each other. Then opposite phyllotaxy, when 2 leaves they are present at the each node. It is opposite superposed if the leaves of the each node they are opposite to each other and but they are in the same plane. It is opposite decussate if the leaves at the each node are opposite to each other, but the opposite leaves of the successive node they are at 90 degree to the previous one, while it is whole when it is having the more than 2 leaves at each node. Is it clear? One more aspect of the spiral or alternate phyllotaxy I must want to discuss here now. It is something there, my dear friends, on your blackboard. See here. The alternate phyllotaxy is there. I have told you that when we look from above side in opposite, okay. But now, if we look, we have the top view from the stem. Suppose this is the stem. Okay, it is opposite one, but if it is there, then if we look from the top of the alternate phyllotaxy stem or branch, then what is there? One thing, the leaves are one single leaf is at each node. We find the rows. We find the rows of the leaves. These rows here, they are called the orthostachys. Orthostachys. Okay. And one more thing we have to do to study the alternate phyllotaxy. We have to find the genetic spirals. This is the genetic spiral. We have to find the genetic spirals. What are the genetic spirals? You have to take an thread, a long thread. And what to do? We have to tie that thread with the leaf, with the lower leaf. Starting from that leaf, we have to make a spiral up to the leaf, which is in the same plane to the first leaf. इसमें तो कम लीव्स हैं इसलिए आपको लग रहा है कि कम होंगे, पर जब रियल पिक्चर हम देखेंगे बेटा क्या होगा, मैं इस लीफ के साथ शुरू करूंगा, मैं बाकी जो बीच के सक्सेसिव लीव है उनको मैं टाई करता रहूंगा, उसके साथ बांधता चलूंगा और वहां पे रुकूंगा जहां पे कहा उसी प्लेन में, जब उसके बिल्कुल ऊपर जब वो लीफ आ जाएगा तो मैं वहां पे स्टॉप कर जाऊंगा। अब मुझे क्या ढूंढना है? दूसरा लीफ ढूंढना है जो उसके साथ जो नहीं बन पाया। इसके बाद एक स्पाइरल बन गया यहां तक, फिर आई हैव टू टाई द नेक्स्ट लीफ एंड अगेन मूविंग टू द लीव्स until the newer leaf will be opposite to that. पहले हमने एक लीफ को बांधा वहां तक जहां तक दूसरा उसी प्लेन में लीफ ना मिला, बिल्कुल उसके ऊपर, फिर उससे अगले को किया। हम देखेंगे that many genetic spirals they will be formed on a single branch or a single stem. Depending upon this genetic spiral and the rows form, when the top view, we have taken the top view, the condition become, it may be distichous, it may be tristichous, pentastichous and octastichous, like that. What to do? We have to fix the number of circles, that is the genetic spirals. ये जो genetic spirals हैं, they are taken in as the numerator, while the number of rows, which are called orthostachys from the top view, the number of rows, these are taken as the denominator. If number of rows are 2, then condition is called distichous. If the number of rows are 3, it is called tristichous. Depending on the number of rows, we give the name to the stichys. Distichous, tristichous, pentastichous mean 5 rows. Octastichous mean 8 rows, but the spiral may be different, as the spiral may be one in the distichous and the tristichous. It may be 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Spiral is one in both cases, but the rows are 2 and 3. So distichous is the name from rows. So 2 rows, distichous, 3 rows, ऑर्थोस्टैटिस कितनी है उसके अनुसार, ट्राई, 5, पेंटा, ऑक्टा। इसका फायदा क्या है? अगर आप स्टाइकस कंडीशन किसी प्लांट की आपको पता हो बेटा, तो यू कैन इमीडिएटली फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन द टू लीव्स। कोई आपसे पूछ लेता व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन द टू लीव्स, और ये जो स्टाइकिस की कंडीशन आई वो इसीलिए पैदा हुई, इट अराइज ड्यू टू द डिफरेंस इन द एंगल बिटवीन द लीव्स ऑफ द सक्सेसिव नोड. It is not always 90 degree. It is not always 180 degree. It is somewhat less and more than the 90 degree. वो परपेंडिकुलर नहीं है। इसीलिए अगर आपको एंगल पता करना है तो हमें स्टैटिक नेचर का पता होगा। सिंपली व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट इज द स्टैटिक कंडीशन, angle of the between the leaves, it is found like that. If it is distichus, it is 1 by 2 into 360, because the stem is having the circle, it is 360 angle. The angle must be in the two leaves will be 180. If it is tristichus, then it is 120, and so on. You can calculate 2 by 5 into 360, 3 by 8 into 360. So this is the discussion about the phyllotaxy. Now, one more aspect is leaf incision. Incision क्या होता है बेटा? Incision होता है कट कर देना किसी, incise, cut, to put and cut. Suppose this is a leaf. Suppose this is a leaf. It is intact. If any leaf, it have entire lamina, there is no cut. Is there any cut? If any leaf have entire lamina or lamina in which, like this, in which cuts are there, but they are not up to the midrib. If any leaf have the entire lamina or the incision but not up to the midrib, then this is called the simple leaf. It is a simple leaf. ये सिंपल लीफ है बेटा. The second leaf is there. During evolution it arises from the simple leaf. Suppose if cuts start appearing, evolution की बात करें जब डेवलपमेंट हुई होगी कभी, if cut start there and it reach the midrib, okay, like this. The cut, देखिए आप बेटा कैसे स्टडी करेंगे आप इसको. सेकेंड काइंड ऑफ द लीव्स आर देयर, हाउ दे हैव बीन फॉर्म्ड मैं आपको बता रहा हूं इवोल्यूशन में कैसे बने होंगे. लाइक दिस, व्हेन द इंसिजन इट विल रीच द मिडरिब, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ कंपाउंड लीफ. किससे बना? सिंपल से ही बना, इवोल्यूशन के दौरान बना. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ I am showing you more structures for the compound leaves. But अभी तो मैंने आपको सिर्फ प्रोसेस बताया कैसे बनते हैं. This is simple leaf because it is having no incision, or if incision is there but not up to the midrib, ricinus communis leaf. In the last class we have discussed about this. Then it is called the simple leaf. What if the incision is of the lamina, it reaches up to the midrib, breaking it into the small leaflets. These are the leaflets. I am showing you a leaf which is compound leaf. See here, this is the rose leaf. This is the rose leaf. It is a leaf. These are the leaflets. At time before evolution, it may be complete, it may be a simple leaf. What the incision? They have reached the midrib. This midrib is there, it is called rachis. अभी आगे आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा. Then this is a compound leaf. Okay, and dividing the leaf into the leaflets. So on the basis of leaf incision, there are two leaves, simple leaf, the leaf which have entire lamina or lamina with incision not touching the midrib, while the compound leaf, the leaf in which incision of lamina reach up to the midrib, breaking it into the number of leaflets. See here, very important is this. If it is a compound leaf, it is attached to the stem like this. The compound leaf have a what in the axil. What never be present in the axil of leaflets. This is important to note. What is present in the axil of petiole in both simple as and compound leaf. सिंपल में तो होंगे ही होंगे. सिंपल लीफ के जो नोड्स मैंने कल भी बताया था, जो एक्सिल होता है उसमें एक्सिलरी वर्ड होता है. कंपाउंड लीफ के भी एक्सिल में एक्सिलरी बड होगा, लेकिन जो लीफलेट्स होते हैं उनके एक्सिल में कभी भी एक्सिलरी बड नहीं होता है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ सी, two kind of compound leaves are there. One are pinnate, one are palmate. What are the pinnate and what are the palmate leaves? See here. This is an pinnate. This is the pinnate. If you see as a simple leaf, इसको आप ऐसा ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कि सिंपल लीफ है, इसका लेमिना पूरा है, देन दिस इज द मिड लीफ. This middle structure, it is representing the midrib, my dear friends. Now it is called rachis. Now it is rachis. The midrib of the leaves is now called, leaf is now called rachis. And these are the leaflets borne. It means incision move toward the where? Midrib. Cut कहाँ लगा है? Midrib की तरफ को. Such kind of the leaves are called pinnately compound leaf. This is a pinnate compound leaf of the Rosa indica, Rosa alba, Rosa plant, rose का है वो. So pinnately compound leaf, the leaf, compound leaf in which number of leaflets are present on a common axis, the rachis, which represent the midrib of the leaf as in neem, tunna, jamun, rose, so on. Second one is the palmate. I am showing you. Now I am showing you the compound leaf. This is the leaf having the compound nature. Earlier, अगर आप suppose कीजिए कि it is a complete leaf, then incision is moving in this direction up to the petiole. That is a common point. It is moving toward this. All the incision they are moving toward the petiole. Okay, that is a common point. If the incision move toward the common points, so these leaflets they are attached at common point. Such kind of leaf are called palmate leaf, like this palm like. Our fingers are attached to this palm. Common point is palm. So the compound leaf in which the leaflets are attached at a common point, that is at the tip of petiole, as in silk, cotton, or bale plant, or this is the Tagetes species in this plant. This is called the compound leaf. Now see. Here, pinnate compound leaves, as I have shown, it is in tamarindus, rosa, acacia, moringa, coriander. ये क्या है? Degree of incisions. ये degree of incision के अनुसार है बेटा. इस तरह से लीफ बनेगा. अगर जो डिग्री है वो रैकिस के ऊपर है, फिर वो विनलेट्स के ऊपर आ जाएगा, उसको रेचिल्यूल्स बोलेंगे. Then रेचिल्यूल्स will be there. रैकिस, रेचिला, रेचियूल, इस तरह से जो डिग्री ऑफ इंसिजन है वो बढ़ता चलेगा. बट यू हैव टू ओनली रिमेंबर दिस प्लांट नेम्स. देन these are the palmate compound leaves in citrus, hardwickia, azil, bill जिसे कहते हैं, पेरिस quadrifolia, then bombaxiba, सिंपल जिसे हम बोलते हैं उनके अंदर. One more aspect is the leaf modification. You know, leaves got modified to perform certain function other than the photosynthesis. The primary function is photosynthesis, but beside that they will perform many other functions, like tendril for climbing, spines for defense as in cacti, fleshy leaves in onion and garlic to store the food and other substances, phylloclades in Australian acacia, यहाँ पे petiole enlarge हो जाते हैं, बताऊंगा आपको. Then peacher plant में peacher होता है, वो basically it is meant to trap the insects and to digest them. Let's see one by one. Leaf tendrils बेटा कुछ नहीं होते हैं, स्पायरी कॉइलिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स होती हैं वाइल्ड पी में, स्वीट पी में, गार्डन नस्टिन में, क्लेमेटिस में, ग्लोरियोसा में, स्पाइलिक्स में, ट्रोपेलियम है, गार्डनम जो नस्टरियम है. ठीक है, तो इसमें जो ये थ्रेड, ग्रीन थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होती हैं which are helpful to climbing the sport, these are called the tendrils. So tendrils are nothing, these are the green, long, thin, unbranched and sensitive thread-like structures for climbing the sport. They coil around the sport. Then spines. Spines are the defense organs. I mean many plants, in aloe vera, in arzimon, okay, in barberries, you will see the many kind of plants where the spines are there. For what? For protection. And it is the cactus having the spine for the protection. then आप यूज करते हैं onion and garlic. Leaf modification, as fleshy leaves are there, we eat them for that purpose. Leaf modification as phylloclade. What is the phylloclade? Basically here what happened, the primary leaf which are photosynthetic, they got reduced. They are caducous. Their life is small. For that reason the petiole, it enlarged and became green and photosynthetic. This kind of the enlarged green, expanded green, photosynthetic petiole is called phyllodes. It is in Australian acacia, as I have discussed with you. See here. Sorry. Here. So, what are phyllodes? These are the modified, expanded green photosynthetic petioles as leaf lamina got reduced. Very important structure. Then the leaf features. The lamina of the leaf will modify into pitcher and they will trap the insect, digest them and draw the proteins from them. Proteins are digested to get the nitrogen because they are living in the soil where the nitrogen is less. They are growing in the nitrogen deficient soil. For that reason they trap the insect and digest them inside their pitcher. So this is the Decidia, okay, pitcher plant, and one is there Nepenthes and Sarcenia as a pitcher plant. So these are some of the important modification of leaf in plants. Meet you in the next class. Till then, you can go through I just want to tell you one thing. Go to the field and observe all these phenomena. Observe all these aspects of the plant. You will enjoy the study. You will enjoy the botany. You will enjoy the biology, my dear friends. For more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, Biology at Fingerprints with Vijay. This is the link given here. When you have subscribed, press the bell icon for more information. Till then, bye to all. Thank you.